Let's replace the condenser and compressor on a Chevrolet Captiva. First, we need to remove the entire front bumper, including the headlights, to gain proper access. Once the bumper is off, remove the front reinforcement bar. Next, disconnect the refrigerant lines leading to the condenser.
Flashing to ah.
Uy, ano yun? Ano yun?
With the lines detached, go ahead and remove the condenser. Now that the condenser is out of the way, we'll also remove the radiator. With both the condenser and radiator removed, we can start on the compressor. Disconnect the refrigerant lines from the compressor, then remove the mounting bolts to take it out. Now let's compare the old compressor with the new one. As you can see, the old one has lost compression. Notice the difference compared to the new unit.
Ha?
Ha?
Sama mo din yung ano, hindi manager.
Yung?
Install the new compressor, then put the radiator back in place. Install the new condenser, making sure everything is aligned properly. Reinstall the reinforcement bar, and finally, return the front bumper and headlights to their original position.